Hi there, here's how to use guides and rulers in DaVinci Resolve plus a bonus tip when using them. Two ways to turn on guides and rulers. You can come up to this drop down and enable guides by clicking on it. It goes white, and click on rulers to enable rulers. You can see at the top and the left we have these rulers now. Alternatively, you can go to the view menu, come down to rulers and turn them on or off, and the same thing with guides. The easiest way to add a guide is to first turn on the rulers and then just drag down from the top ruler onto the image and let go, or drag from the left ruler onto the image and let go of the mouse button. If you want more control, right click on the ruler and choose Add Guide. You get this dialog box, or alternatively go to the view menu, guides, and choose Add Guide and you'll get the same box. Choose where to add the guide. Currently we're in pixels. Let's say 100 pixels. You can also switch to percentage. Let's say 33.3%. Optionally, you can choose a different guide color. Let's choose red and click Add. To change an existing guideline, hover over it till you see this icon and hit the right mouse button and choose Edit Guide. To delete one single guide, hover over it, right click and choose Remove Guide. If you want to delete multiple guides, come to the view menu, come down to Guides and either choose Delete All or just delete vertical or horizontal guides. Let's choose Clear All. At the moment, the units in this ruler are pixels, with 0, 0 being the center of the image. If you want to change this to percentage, come to the view menu, come to rulers and change this to percentage. And now we have percentages, with 50% being the middle of the image, vertically and horizontally. And for that quick bonus tip, let's say we want to cut this using Control B, and then we want to zoom in this second part to create that kind of zoom in jump cut. Before you change the scale, move two guides over the eye on an image. Open up the inspector and then zoom in however much you want. Then just reposition this image so that that crosshair is right over the eye. And if I play this back, watch what happens when the jump happens. You can see that when you watched that jump cut, the position of the eye stayed in the same location on the screen, which makes it a much more comfortable viewing experience. Watch this video next and subscribe for loads more high quality DaVinci Resolve tutorials. I'm Jason Roberts and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.